and he just so happened to fall in love with Patricia, Vanessa's mom. Patricia wasn't the most popular girl, but they found many things that they bonded over. So they got married. But the story of this house tells a different story. One of domestic violence. Val's mother, Vanessa's grandmother, just recently passed away from Alzheimer's. She lost all memory. She couldn't even recognize them. And she even forgot how to eat, how to breathe on her own. She was completely reliant on hospital care, and she was being cared for by Vanessa's aunt, Franca. Nobody knew this,